Hiya Freya Boots, it's Auntie Weezer here, and I'm just getting back to you regarding what we were looking at yesterday. Crime fiction question. What do you think about that? In the space below, write down your thoughts and opinions on the article that you've just read. Whew. Well, the first thing to say that Hannah is with you. It's really boring. It's quite a boring article. It's a boring question. Sorry, nothing you can do about that. But the second thing to say is I don't know that there's much asking for your opinion because opinions on boring articles like this are quite hard to express. You know, you read it and go, meh, and it's quite hard to get full marks if you just write meh. So, what else could they be getting at? Well, I think what they're looking for here is just evidence that you have read the article, that you understand it, that you can pick out some key points and perhaps express them well using some really nice phrases. And I reckon that's job done then. So here's how I'd approach it. The first thing I'd do is I'd find a fact. We'll do that in a minute. Put that fact in your own words. You can't just lift whole things from the text, not that you would. And then use some neat phrases to introduce the ideas, discuss your ideas, or give opinions on them. So I've just put some phrases here. It's interesting how, or the relationship between blah blah and blah blah is intriguing. Like that. The writer links blah and blah, which is surprising as right. Anyway, you can see those, and you can add your own. You can think of your own. Your mum can think of some maybe. Anyway, so let's have a go at doing this. Let's find a fact. I'm going to quickly scan the article. I'm not really reading every word. I'm just looking for my first fact. Blah blah blah. Crime fiction. Do. Oh, it's now officially the UK's best-selling genre. Okay. I'm going to put that in my own words and use some neat expressions from here to do that. So I might say, it is interesting how crime fiction has overtaken other types of fiction to become the UK's best-selling genre. Fact one. Okay, great. I don't have to read any of that again. The first paragraph. I'm going to scroll down now for my second fact and do the same thing, and then just come up with 3, 4, 5. I don't know what. Facts I can put in that box. All right, that's it. Job done. I hope that's a little bit helpful. Have a go, see how you get on, and if you can, I'd love to see your answers just to see how you've got on with it. Okay? Take care. Bye.